If you remember, in my last video, I set this up. It's a SLZB MR3U, and it was really clever because it could have Zigbee and Matter. Well, Thread, not Matter. The problem was you had to plug it into here to set it up and do all sorts of stuff. I've got an update. So we no longer need this, but we do need this. So let's roll the credits and get straight into it. So what I've done is I have sorted out my POE. So I know that's right. I've sorted out my POE. And then what I did was I went back to the adapter, and down the bottom in settings and tools, I went to firmware update, check for updates, and I found this one, which says Thread plus open thread border router running on the device. Means I haven't got to put it in Home Assistant. So let's flash that one, shall we? Yes, we want to do it. While it's doing that, I'll just read the paper. Okay, the update's finished. I'll just put my newspaper away. Okay, so it should be different now. So if I go into mode, I've got Zigbee coordinator. Done that before, so we'll leave that alone. But we've got Thread to remote, which we were doing on the last video. And then we've got this one, Thread open border router on this device. Right. It's a beta release, but IP6, did a video on IP6, that's up there. Right, we're going to need to know this. So I'm going to click enable. There we go. Let's just go quickly back into mode. Yeah, open border router. So let's flip back to Home Assistant and deal with that. Okay, so in Home Assistant, we just need to go down to Settings, Devices and Services, add an integration, open one of those. Put in the, oh, okay, nobody read that, that's wrong. Okay, so that's the number that it told us to do. So we'll click submit and then click finish, and we've got an open border router. Okay, so if I go to Matter, and I'm going to delete this and add it back in again. So we do that. Okay, so it's gone. So let's switch over to the phone and add a device using our new border router. We won't do that quite yet because we got this message, but I think we can solve that by connecting it to the phone. So we will switch over to the phone. So the next thing we need to do is go to the open thread border router and update these numbers, and it gives a different encryption code. So I'm gonna switch to a new tab and then come back so you can't see what my encryption code is, and then we'll jump to Home Assistant. So let's add this to Home Assistant. So on a phone, I need to go into settings. There's lots of ways of doing this. I'm going to do it by matter and say add a new device, and say no, it's a new device because I'm about to wipe it. Open the camera settings and find the QR code. The phone's already set to 2.4 gigahertz. I'm going to plug the phone, there you can plug in, and hold the button down for I think it's 12 seconds until it starts flashing, like that. And then on the phone say I'm ready, and it starts connecting to the device. Now we're generating Matter credentials. Now we're connecting to the Thread network, connecting to Home Assistant, and hopefully on the screen you'll see a plug join Matter. There it is. Okay, so I click done on the phone, and we don't need that anymore. I'm just going to move this out of the way, but leave it on because we might need it. So in Matter, we've got a plug which I can switch on and off. And just to prove the point, I can switch on and off. So we're connected by the Thread border router on the MR3. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hopefully that will provide, if you get an MR3, that you've got Matter and Thread all in one device, and you can now kind of position it wherever you like. I'm still not completely happy about Matter. Well, I'm happy with Matter. I'm not quite so happy about Thread, and I'm not very happy about Google. I'm going to do a video of all the problems that you can have that I've cut out of these videos because they're a bit peculiar at times, and because I've got so much stuff here, it causes its own problems. If you could like and subscribe, that would be great, and I will see you on the next one, unless you want to watch this one here or this one up here. I'll see you on the next one.